Did you know you can make Excel automatically display green arrows, red warning signs, or star ratings next to your numbers with zero manual work? In the next 60, when you share a spreadsheet full of sales numbers or performance scores, people have to read every single value just to figure out what is good and what is bad. Start by selecting the range of values you want to format. In this case, our sales performance scores in column B. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Conditional Formatting in the Styles group. By default, Excel splits your values into 3 equal percentile groups and assigns a green, yellow, or red icon to each, but you can fully customize this. Click Manage Rule. Look at the result. Each sales rep now has a color-coded arrow icon right next to their score, so anyone can see at a glance who is performing well and who needs attention. You just learned how to apply and customize icon sets in Excel Conditional Formatting to make any dataset instantly readable and visually powerful.